Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you often write emails at work?
Do you know how to write a simple and polite email in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about writing an email.
You'll learn how to start an email, explain your message, ask for information, and end an email politely.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their workplace English.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Now, let's begin. I need to write an email to my manager.
What is the email about?
I need to ask about our next team meeting.
Okay, what do you want to ask?
I want to know the meeting time and location.
That's easy.
How should I start the email?
You can write, "Dear Mr. Smith."
What if I don't know the person's name?
You can write, "Dear Sir or Madam."
That's helpful.
You can also use hello for a less formal email.
I see.
After the greeting, explain why you're writing.
So I can write, I'm writing to ask about the next team meeting.
Exactly.
What should I write next?
Explain what information you need.
Okay,
You could write, "Could you please let me know when the meeting will start?"
that's polite.
Yes.
I also want to ask where the meeting will be.
You can write, "Could you also let me know where the meeting will take place?"
Great.
Try to keep your email clear and simple,
Why is that important?
because the reader can understand your message quickly.
That makes sense.
You don't need to use very long sentences.
So simple English is better.
Exactly.
I think I've finished the email.
Let's check it before you send it.
Good idea.
First, check the person's name.
Okay,
Then, check the subject line.
what should I write?
You can write, "Next team meeting."
That's simple.
Yes, the subject should tell the reader what the email is about.
What else should I check?
Check your spelling and grammar.
Okay,
Also, make sure you haven't forgotten any important information.
I'll read it one more time.
That's always a good idea.
Everything looks good now.
Great, you're ready to send it.
I think the main part of my email is finished.
Great, now you need a polite ending.
What can I write?
You can write, "Thank you for your help."
That sounds good.
You can also write, "I look forward to hearing from you."
What does that mean?
It means you are waiting for the person's reply.
I see. That's useful.
Then you can finish with, "Best regards."
And then my name?
Yes, write your name under "Best regards."
So the ending could be, thank you for your help. I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Alex.
Exactly.
That sounds professional.
Yes, and it's easy to remember.
I think my email is ready now.
Great. Did you check the recipient's email address?
Yes, I did.
Did you check the subject?
Yes, it says next team meeting.
Perfect.
I also checked the spelling.
Good.
Should I send it now?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I'm clicking the send button.
Done?
Yes, the email has been sent.
Excellent.
Writing emails in English is easier than I thought.
It becomes easier with practice.
That's true.
Just remember to keep your message clear, polite, and simple.
I'll remember that. Let's review what we learned today.
First, we learned how to start an email.
For example, Dear Mr. Smith.
Excellent.
Then we learned how to explain why we are writing.
I'm writing to ask about the next team meeting.
Very good.
Then we learned how to ask for information politely.
Could you please let me know?
Perfect.
And we learned how to end an email.
Thank you for your help.
Best regards.
Excellent.
I feel more confident writing emails in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another English conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you.
Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for writing a simple and professional email.
You learned how to start an email, explain your purpose, ask for information, check your message, and end the email politely.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat each sentence aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.